We're here at the Mud Redneck Olympics here. Give me another truck. Give me another mud bugger here. Yeah. Oh wow. You got some lungs. I mean, you have a big. Never mind. Number 6? All right. This is Victor Coletta from Salem Road. Come on, Victor. Come on, buddy. What are you doing, parking? Come on. Hit the gas pedal. Let's go. Yeah. Go, Victor. You the man. Go on now. He had a coke in the back. And a coke in the back of the truck. The rooster. Go on, Victor. Yeah. Cheer him on, folks. He's from Salem Road. They do everything with chickens. They do everything with a chicken at Salem Road. Go on in there to Snapping Turtle Pond there, buddy. What's he doing? Hey man, it's not a drive-through, okay? You can't get anything here. Oh, a sandwich. Come on, man. You can do it. Victor! Go! Oh, he's disappearing. Look at all that slop, that green slop. Wow. Well, I'll tell you what. You got some stinky carpet in the nap truck now, let me tell you. It's going to take him years to get the smell out. You might as well smoke in it now, Victor. You might as well just light up a big stogie right now in there because it don't matter. It ain't never going to be clean again. All right. Premier Green Tractors from Alliston, Ontario coming in. Right on, boys. I got the yellow hat on here so you don't run me over, maybe. You'll watch the flag girl. What's her name? Christina. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, Christina. All right. Oh, she's got fans down there somewhere. All right. Come on, go TJ! Whoa! Yeah. Okay, look at a paddle. Oh, he's actually getting somewhere now. Come on, buddy. Come on, you can do this. You got her, pal. Come on. That's it. Hug the side. Come on, go TJ. Yeah, buddy. All right. All right. Check. Check. All right, TJ, buddy. Go on now. Uh-oh. And I think... No? I think, is this where the snapping turtle is, or I think it's down the bottom one? I think it's down the bottom one. Kayla, what happened? What happened? You did pretty good. They did all right, folks. Give them a big round of applause, TJ and Kayla. Oh, you're still going. Yeah. People here from Orangeville, let me hear you. This is your dude here, Evan Eagles. Come on, Evan. Oh, it's true what they say about people from Orangeville. Oh, no. Evan, everybody was cheering for you. Can you start this thing up again and get it going or what? You're going to send the tractor through the bottom pit? Okay. Does he know that? Christina. Christina. All right, drop the flag there.
Sorry.
Come on, Tyler. Grand County bloggers from Float Pro. Come on, buddy.
Work that bitch.
Right on. Ty Lawrence. Come on, Ty, buddy. Give her, bud. Yeah. Yeah, hit her again. Come on, Ty. Oh.
Did anybody make it out?
Ty.
A guy made it?
Ty.
Leg just down on the side there.
No snorkel, Ty. That was bad planning.
Is that like a sand?
Look at all the mud on the roof of this thing.
Sandbar almost on the side, isn't it? Yeah, he's got no steel.
Oh, he's got something going on here. Come on, Ty. Ty, if you don't get this thing started, I got to tell you from years and years of experience, that girl's going to stop yelling for you. All right? They're still yelling now, buddy, but... Come on, buddy.
Well, the guy that made it was on this side of this
On this
pit.
one, but on the other
And on the far side, nobody else.
Come on, Ty. Ty. Yeah! There you go, buddy. Oh. Boy.
Come on, guys!
What do you say, folks? Big dive, big dive, big dive, big dive, big dive, big dive, big dive. Fill your boots, brother. No? He ain't gonna do it. I can tell from looking right here, he ain't gonna do it. Ontario, home of the Belvedere Hotel in Pefferlaw, Ontario, and my good buddies, the Donor Boys. All right, Christina, hold that flag good and high, Christina. Higher, a little higher than that. That's it. Hold it up good and high. There you go. That's good. Come on. Oh, what's your name there? Stefan the Rock. Come on, Stefan, for sure, my guy. Let's get there going, eh? Come on. The fourth gear, full speed's ahead, eh? Come on, bud. Are you doing all right? You got the snorkel. Come on, keep going. You're going to stay on top of the mud. Come on, Stefan. He's Simcoe County bogger right here. Hey, you watch out you don't get the waves coming over top of everything there, eh? Look at that, she's blowing right out the top. Hey. Woo! There you go. Oh, he's got it. Hey. Well, these guys from Simcoe County, boy, I tell you what, he's got his girlfriend with him too. He's proud. He's proud. Yeah. So what's the plan now? Hey, Stefan, what's the... Do you have a plan B? Hey? I'm going to talk to... Miss, is it okay if I speak to you? Sure. All right, I thought so. Lake Simcoe 4x4s. Stephen? Okay. I thought it says Stefan. S-T-E-P-H-A-N here. It's okay. I want one of them t-shirts. Okay, thanks, man.
No, the one.
From Pefferlaw. You ever go to the Belvedere Hotel? Yeah? You see the hoof prints in there where Doug Donner rode his horse up to the bar? There you go. girlfriend too. You gotta like the guy already. He's a good guy there. All right. He's all right. Hey, Steven. Hey, Steven. You get to buy the beer. You had a girlfriend, just so you know. All right. All right. There we go. Give him a big round of applause. That died. Remember the racing dive? Remember swimming lessons? All right. Take your cell phone out. All right. Hey, buddy. Your girlfriend's has no idea how this all happened. But anyhow, get right out through the sunroof there. I love how she takes control.
Aiden was struggling with this. Aiden had to go forward, back up, forward, back up, forward, back up.
I think he's going to pull you out from the back because I don't know if you noticed or not, but it's much shorter for us to pull you out that way. Have you got a toast? You got one on the back there. No, but I want you. Okay, you can go with the toast. She can handle. What's your name? You're Larissa, right? You're so nice smile and everything. All right, now what's his name? Tyler. Okay, that is. All right, so Tyler, Larissa's got all this under control. All right, Larissa, he seems to listen to you. All right, can you please tell him to get up on the hood and jump in, and dive into the water? Come on, Tyler. Folks, you gotta help me out here. This is the first one of the day. Tyler's gotta go in. Tyler. Come on, get in there, buddy. Right to the front. We want to see a nice shallow dive. Come on. Oh, man. I tell you, it's a good thing. It's a good thing this is a family show here because I have words for you right now. Yes. Yeah. That's okay, buddy. That's okay. It's a good thing. Well, you know, all these you know what? All of these kinds of relationships are okay now. I mean, it used to be that the man, you know, the woman, hey, honey, you know, and now it's a little different. You know, Tyler's like, oh, hi, honey. And she's like, and that's fine. That's fine. That's just the way it goes here. Tyler, you should have jumped in the mud, buddy, because this ain't going to stop all weekend long. Give them a big round of applause, folks. They're good sports. Tyler and Larissa. All right. Hey, Tyler. The guy she had here with her last year was way cooler than you, man. Sorry, I just got to tell you. Sorry about that, dude. All right. Okay. We are going to go now.